That's what I was hearing. I was like, what the hell? I was like, Halloween's done. Why is there someone knocking at the window still? Seems like a nice guy. Hi. Hi, mommy.
Hi, Matthew.
Hi, everything.
Hi.
How are you to find out? Are you feeling right now?
Welcome to my vlog.
Oh, sounds good. Oh. That's right. That's right. I told him. I was like, nah, you ain't getting on, bro.
Buying some tomatoes. These are my favorite. They said tomato is a fruit.
Blogger moms.
You like that?
You like that? You
Tomato. Tomato is a fruit and tomato is bad for a train. So I love it.
Yo. I think it's the best. If you don't know this, you're missing out on life. You should take one. Hello, ah.
That's me. I got inspired. I had to pause and be like, I had to pause and be like, I had to pause and ground myself and, okay, this is how I'm gonna do it.
And then you read more and more. These are people that are more experienced. They've been in the woods more than I
Had to get
have.
inspiration.
How do you feel
for
about
this.
the upcoming Christmas?
For why these people go
With the
You know, I'm
COVID-19.
excited. I know it's gonna be a bit different this year, but I'm excited.
Take advantage of the technology
about all the
that you're given
things.
today. You've got the sat phone.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, you've got all that. But then, if you don't want to have to rely on a cell phone signal, if
Hey.
the battery dies or something like that, you know, I got a list.
Hey,
of
can you
all
pass me the red balls?
Red wine? Okay.
Red balls.
I'm gonna be able to take care of myself.
You know, with a camouflage pattern available today, if you
Not
got
the
this
thing
on
on the
right here,
chair.
it's gonna be hard to spot. So carry something bright with you. This is a space lamp. And the reason I grabbed it
Catch.
is fluorescent on. It's a universal here I am color. Tell somebody where you're going. Tell somebody you trust you.
Oh, it's proof.
And tell them what time you're gonna be
Shock
out.
proof.
You're not out by them and you're not calling them. If you do get
Flip
lost,
it.
You can't flip it while recording. What do you want?
stay close to where you start. Especially if you tell somebody.
Say it again. What is it? Is it dishwasher safe?
Dishwasher shrink. This dish.
Ang halaman ba yan? Hindi. Fish. Sure ba? Ba't mukhang pang halaman?
Fish and fruit. Dishwasher shrink.
Ano niya ilaw?
Fish and fruit. Dishwasher shrink. Dishwasher.
Dishwasher? Say dishwasher safe.
Dishwasher safe.
Say dishwasher safe.
Dishwasher.
Yeah. me. Say dishwasher safe.
Dishwasher safe.
Choose. Say it faster.
Dishwasher safe.
Yeah. Dishwasher safe.
Dishwasher safe.
You.
Dishwasher safe. Wow, nag-ready siya.
Dishwasher safe. Dishwasher safe.
Safe.
ang robot.
Lumaragas ang robot.
Hindi ko kaya yun.
Lumaragas ang robot.
Rumaragas ang robot. You say it.
They said it. They said it, guys.
Say it.
It's crazy.
Say it.
So this is our Christmas light.
Say it.
Our Christmas light. Our Christmas tree lights up.
Say it.
Our Christmas light has a tree. The tree is a Christmas light. we put some Christmas balls
Ornament.
and we put some why are you putting ornaments?
Say rumaragas ang robot.
Can you say lumaragas ang robot?
No, I'm okay, guys.
Or
Thank
just
you.
say
That's how I feel too. That's how I feel about this election. Here's my sister Bettina. She's wrapping the gifts. Here's my girlfriend. Why covering? Please don't touch the camera. Please don't touch the camera. Don't touch your forehead. Can't get mad, I'm not touching you. Can't get mad, I'm not touching you. He's my mother. Mother.
motherfucker.
Mom, that's not nice.
She said it.
Wow.
She's a motherfucker.
Talk about setting good examples, guys. Wow. No?
My reputation.
That's what everyone wants to see.
Yeah, you're a motherfucker and you have no reputation.
So let me tell you something. If Donald Trump wins, might be the greatest thing to ever happen in America.
Background, dude.
Don't attack me. Don't attack me, people. Maybe, I don't know, but if Joe Biden wins, I'm sure he's gonna be biting on a lot of food at the White House. Tell me a name, then I'll talk shit about that
Did you
person.
add any lighting there?
No.
It's
It's nice, right? Yo, so they designed this right when November 1 hits. They put up the lights because that's when the right time is.
No, we wanted to put up earlier, but then
Earlier?
we have to respect All Saints today. And Halloween.
I guess we have to.
Hindi ka ko nagbabasa.
We had this Christmas tree with the lights, Christmas tree lights, for like 2 years now.
Third grade, 3 years.
Third Christmas? Yo, that's crazy.
When were we here? 2018.
18. No, 17.
19 and 20.
18!
We were here 17. I got the car 17.
No, we moved here February.
Aww. I'm just saying. Think about it. Kailan yung anniversary natin? 2017, right? What month?
Yeah.
Oh, what month?
I'm gonna go home alone. Wait, hold it.
We moved here February
I went home.
2018.
Yeah, that's true. February 2008.
Kasi nag-party tayo dito, wala
19,
pang furniture.
This one should
Damn.
be like a bag na lang.
Yeah, I remember that we had a party here. We didn't have any couch. We had like 2 chairs.
We had that chair, the
We had
yellow one.
yeah, the yellow chair, the haircut chair.
And then,
then-
we had that white table. And then
What?
what else? That
And,
table.
and then we had the floor. It was an open concept party. No no furniture. We had like a tiny ass TV.
Paano mo napasok tiny?
Average.
Guys, stop yelling. I don't want my friends to see that we're like this.
Talagang nakaumbok na
I don't want.
Nagiinan lang.
Anyways, guys, so to start a vlog, you don't really need a fancy camera. All you need is a fancy phone. It's the same worth as the camera. People ask,
It's this one, no?
yeah,
that party.
that one.
Hindi nakaanga talaga siya?
Oo. Ang party na kalilipas pala. Like 20 days. Walang gamit.
It was fun though.
That was fun. bring back the days when there was no corona. What was your last memory of no corona?
Being hospitalized.
True, but that's when it started though, no? May corona na nun. Here's my I'm gonna get copyright.
Sorry.
You know they detected it. Because on the website where I got my music, I had my name there as my full name is like Matthew Lopez. But my YouTube channel is Matt Lopez. And then I was using the songs from the website. And then they copyrighted me. Good thing I'm not getting monetized because that video would have been like taken down. Wow. I'm still like that.
May 2017.
It's okay. I'm still
Look. It's Mother's Day.
and I felt fat already during those times. How about now?
Look at this.
Ugly hair though. It's like Donald Trump. Guys, tell me down below, comment section, you want Biden or Trump to win? I mean, by the time this video gets out, there's already a decision. You know, just let me know what you think about it. Me, wear a shirt. Oh my god. I'ma blur your whole body in this video. I have to blur your whole.
I'm tired now. Tomorrow na lang ulit.
Jeez.
My tuhod hurts.
Oh. Paano ka magkakaapo sa tuhod niyan? If it hurts.
You're so payat.
When was that?
2014.
2014? Jeez. Damn. How do I look, Bettina, in the camera? How's the background?
You look so handsome.
Wow. You know, sometimes I always like almost believe you. Almost. Nah. Trust no one, not even yourself.
Trust in yourself.
Not even in no one. So yeah, honestly, all I want for Christmas is a man. Is you.
Hot pot.
Yung soup
Soup?
na ano,
No, that's not
Korean soup.
like pork
Like
bone.
a noodle.
Pork. No,
Pork bone
yung,
soup?
bone.
hindi. Yung ano, yung may tofu, tapos may mga gulay-gulay.
Oh, di tayo mga
What do you call that?
Masarap yun. Ay, no, masarap nga po yun. Para siyang sinigang na hindi.
I think it's okay.
You liked it.
I like it, sure. I like putting it on the rice.
Microwave shape niya.
Hmm? Where?
Talaga ka ng microwave shape?
Hindi po, dish.
Yes,
Put your body on the kitchen table.